Hi everyone, my name is Dan, and welcome to Man Cake. If this is your first time, why not hit the subscribe button and that fancy little bell to stay up to date on all future videos. Now that my shameless plug is out of the way, today's a very special cake day. Today, we're baking James' birthday cake. And not just any birthday cake. We're talking about a chocolate on chocolate, 4-tier, 15-pounder chocolate cake.
So, get ready to get your nap on after a bite of this yummy cake.
Before we forget, be sure to set your oven to 350 degrees. Our first step, mixing half cup of boiling water with 3/4 cup, or about 12 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Once mixed, just set that aside to cool before we invite it back to our little party here. Next, we're going to cream 3 sticks of butter. 1, 2, 3. 3. And with our mixer still on that low speed, add in 2 1/4 cups of sugar. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of vanilla, then take 4 eggs, give a little whisk, and then add them into the batter. Then, in a separate bowl, add 3 cups of flour, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now, we can bring back over our cocoa mix. And with our mixture center stage, add in 1 cup of milk. And just give it a little mix. Now our last step is to add in both our flour mixture and our cocoa mixture, starting and ending with the flour. And to avoid a mess, or try to, we're going to use a spoon. Do a little drizzle of chocolate here. A little more. Then we'll add some more flour. Give a little more chocolate, and here's the mess. Toss in a little more flour. And since we already have a mess going, we can just go ahead and dump in some more chocolate. And let's get rid of these. Now once all mixed, we can go ahead and take our pan, lined with parchment paper and buttered on the sides, and pour in our cake batter. No cake ever left behind. Then we go ahead and bake for about 50 minutes. So let's go ahead and add this into the oven with our first cake. Now onto the buttercream. So today we're going to go ahead and use our simple chocolate buttercream recipe over in the playlist section. Only difference today is we're going to go ahead and times everything by 3. So let's start by fluffing 6 sticks of butter. Now while that creams and gets fluffy, we can take 12 cups of powdered sugar, really just 3 pounds, and mix it with 2.5 cups of cocoa powder. And we'll just give this a little whisk. All about the elbow action here. Once combined, gradually add to the butter in the mixing bowl. When all the powdered mixture is combined with the butter, start slowly adding in 3 ounces of milk until you reach a decent consistency for your buttercream. And we'll just go ahead and add in the rest of the powdered sugar. And maybe a little splash of milk here. And there's our chocolate buttercream. So with our cakes baked and our buttercream creamed, we can go ahead and start layering and decorating. So we'll take our bottom layer, and our chocolate buttercream, and put on a first healthy layer. You know, this will work a lot better. There we go. Now add our second layer. Some more buttercream. Layer number 3. And some more buttercream. And layer number 4. And with the magic of editing, here's our 4-tier chocolate birthday cake. Now, it's time for the weight test. Drum roll. Just over 15 pounds. But, given the cake stand, we'll say it's 15 pounds, give or take a pound or 2. I think that's fair. So, here's our 15-pound chocolate cake. Thanks for stopping over today. And until next week, bye!